How to get a flat stomach. Like the quest for the Holy Grail, many people are on a mission to improve their abs. Luckily, lost abs can be found again with a little bit of effort. These 9 simple exercises and lifestyle tips really work. Number 1. Improve your posture. Slouch in your stomach pooches. Straighten up, and your tummy looks trimmer without breaking a sweat. For better posture, align your ears over your shoulders, shoulders over hips, hips over knees, and knees over ankles. Keep your shoulders open like a shirt on a hanger, not one draped on a peg. Draw your navel to your spine. Not least, keep your weight even on the balls of your feet and your heels. Number 2. Think whole body exercise. Don't get so into your abs that you overlook your other muscles. You look better if all your core muscles are firm. That includes your glutes and back muscles. Pilates exercises are one way to work all of the core muscles, plus the arms and the legs. A boot camp class or personal trainer can do the job, too. New to exercise? Start slowly. Number 3, try the canoe twist. Stand upright, feet apart. Lock your fingers to create a solid grip. Exhale, and sweep the hands, arms, shoulders, and chest to the left, as if you were rowing a canoe. At the same time, lift the left knee up into the right. Inhale and return to the starting position. Exhale and perform the movement to the right. Keep switching sides for 20 reps. Summary: there are many ways in which a person can get a flat stomach. Adding extra exercise to the daily routine, increasing fiber intake, and sleeping more can all help slim a person's waistline. Before starting a new exercise regimen, people should speak to a doctor about any health concerns.